Angular has various lifecycle hooks like ng-on-init, ng-on-destroy, ng-on-changes, and so forth. These methods are called if some event occurs. For example, ng-on-init will be called when the component is initialized. So we are going to use ng-on-init in our component here. Now import the employee class and service here. Inside the app component, we will declare the variable employee list. Now let's write our constructor which will take employee service object as parameter. So when the app component is initialized, we will have the service object already created for us. Let's write our ng-on-init lifecycle hook. Here in on-init, we will call a method getEmployee, which will eventually call the service method. Now let's write our method getEmployees. Here, since the service method getEmployees return a promise, we cannot directly call that method. We will have to use the then method on getEmployee, and then what was returned will be assigned to employees variable of our app component. Also, another thing is, why don't we use constructor instead of ng-on-init method? It's because it's not a good practice to write application logic inside constructor. So we can make use of the on-init lifecycle event. Now let's iterate through the employees variable in our template and display the list of employees. The output is seen in the preview window. Also, don't forget to add the provider employee service over here so Angular can find all the methods inside that service.